Carl said something to me. This is a good idea. He said, "Go get your ladder hooks." He says, "And hang it up off the ceiling."
Yes, and that's going to give you a whole lot more room too.
Ladders up off the floor. Yeah.
So we got this completely finished. Only thing we got to do is come back in here and actually spray paint it. And it's done.
And everything I put in there ends up bending because it's standing upright and not laying down like it should. Yeah.
I like his ramp. I knew he was gonna be able to build a good rest, man. He can come up with something.
He says, "You don't think that goes all the way to the floor?" But he says, "Get down there and look." It is.
It's flush.
He had a board that's flush on both sides.
That way, you need that. That way, you ain't getting no bounce because we bring a lot of heavy stuff in here.
He had another piece of board. And he said, "Okay, I'm just gonna fill that in." That's what he did.
Right.
Good job.
Yep.
Yeah.
I like it.
Like yeah.